Hi everyone, just a quick bit of chat before we get into today's video. The response to the Aldi bandsaw giveaway has been absolutely phenomenal. Over 150 entrants in the first 48 hours. That's amazing. For that reason, I've decided to only let the draw run for this week. So I'll close the draw to entrants on Friday the 16th at noon, and I'll do the actual draw for the giveaway live on Saturday the 17th. Also at noon. These are British times, GMT. Join me then if you can, if you've subscribed to the channel and signed up for notifications, so you clicked on the little bell, then you'll be notified when I go live, and I'll try and remember to shoot out a quick email to all the entrants just to give them a direct link to the live stream as well. But that's it. Join me on Saturday if you can. It'll be my first live stream, so it'll be a little bit clunky, but the more the merrier. Join me if you can to see who's won. But that's it for now, and let's get on with today's video. Hi there, I'm Peter Millard, and this is 10-Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In the workshop this week, I've got a quick tip for you that's all about maintaining repeatability and consistency on your drill press. You know, most of the time my little drill press spends its life just doing cup hinges for concealed hinges. Very simple, very straightforward and totally repeatable. But occasionally it has to be press ganged into other duties. When that happens, how do you get it back to how you want it to be? Well, I've simply made a template. When the drill press is set up to cut hinges perfectly, just cut an extra piece in a piece of scrap. Then you can easily fit the cutter to the right depth and fit the fence against your cutter template. Then you're back to normal and drilling hinges perfectly. So that's it for this week's quick tip. I hope you found that useful. Hope you found it interesting. I certainly find these useful for repeatability and consistency. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it out amongst your friends, and do consider subscribing. If you haven't already done so, hey, just check back on a Friday when there's always something new up at noon. I'll see you then. Take care.